Namaste. I am Dr. Raji Astro. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, in the present times, health is very important, particularly because of the coronavirus which is going on all over the country and also practically all over the world. That is how large number of my friends have requested me to give a talk on medical astrology. So I selected this topic uh, of medical astrology, uh, that is horoscope more reliable than a stethoscope? I'll repeat the topic. The title is horoscope more reliable than a stethoscope? Now, uh, I'll start with a true happening. A long time before, one of my close friends, uh, his father-in-law was a senior officer, very senior officer. During the last year that he was about to retire, uh, he decided with his family to go to uh, the Bhrigu astrologers, that is in Hoshiarpur. Hoshiarpur is a small place about 30 kilometers uh, from Ludhiana. No, it is about 30 kilometers from Jalandhar. Now, the Bhrigu astrologers were also mentioned in the book Untold Story, written about 1962 operations by late Lieutenant General Call, when the Chinese aggression took place and our army had to cut a very sorry figure. Now, the father-in-law of my friend with his family went across to Bhrigu family of astrologers in Hoshiarpur and showed his horoscope. Now, he was a very strong, healthy person, and he was placed in medical category shape 1, that is very fit, energetic, healthy, and without any ailment whatsoever. When the Bhrigu astrologer found his horoscope and gave predictions, it was very shocking. And what he finally told the family while the officer was not close by was that he was undergoing a very severe planetary position after a couple of months, and that the planetary position was likely to give him some dangerously ill problems pertaining to health. Then it was because of the planet Mars or Mangal not being rightly placed, and that would cause problems connected to his blood pressure, could be heart problems, and related to nervous tensions, etc. Now, this officer was a very happy, successful in his career, and he had no complaints pertaining to health, and very happy family. Now, the astrologer also advised that instead of settling down in Delhi after his retirement, he should preferably move to a hill station uh, so that his health can be looked after better. So, the family decided to purchase a house in Simla. Simla is a very healthy hill station, and uh, they took special precautions about his health. But uh, soon after he retired and shifted the family to Simla, within a period of 1 or hardly 2 months, uh, the problem suddenly came and the person passed away due to heart attack. Now, this death was very shocking. When we learnt about it, uh, then the entire story was told by the family, saying that this had been predicted by the Bhrigu Jyotishis of Hoshiarpur, and that was the reason of the family having been shifting from Delhi to hill station in Simla. Now, uh, it happened when all the medical facilities and all the care was available to the officer. His age was much little less than 60 years, and there was no reason, uh, as far as the medical officers were concerned, they had declared him completely fit from any such worry or ailments. Now, that is how we compared the result given by horoscope by the astrologer, Bhrigu astrologers of Hoshiarpur, and also the team of doctors who had declared him medical category A, shape 1 or A1 without any ailment, and his background, health background, was very clean, and in the service period he was one of the very healthy persons. Now, we again get back to the horoscope aspect. In the Vedas, our Vedas have linked astrology with health, and the horoscopes have been connected with Ayurveda. Also, subsequently, the homeopathic doctors also consider the effect of horoscope to some extent. Some of them definitely consider. Now, in Ayurveda, it is mentioned in all the treatment aspect also, that how a disease takes place, then how it should be cured. And now, without going into very many details about planets, the horoscope indicates the position of planets in various zodiacal signs, and out of the 12 houses where a planet is placed. Now, there are malefics, that is good planets, benefics and malefics. Benefics are planets having good effect. Malefics are planets which are not having good effect. Like when we go to the houses, the third house, the sixth house, the 8th house, and the 12th house. These are planets. These are the houses where if malefic planets are positioned therein, they may have evil effects upon health. Now, generally, we consider that when we see the effect of the sun in any of such houses, then sun can create problems connected with eyes, connected with nervous system, connected with solar energy of the body. Now, when we take the moon, second planet moon, moon makes a person emotional, touchy, sensitive, and can cause psychiatric problems. Now, Mars planet, if badly placed, can cause problems connected with blood. Uh, it could be blood pressure, it could be connected to uh, the heart problems, or even nervous system. Uh, then we come to Mercury. Mercury planet is a sort of neutral planet. It can give problems connected with uh, skin problems, also to some extent the sexual aspects. Now, uh, Jupiter is a good planet, and wherever it is seated, it is likely to give good effect. Good effect may be little, or it may be very good effect also. Now, Saturn is not a benefic. Uh, Saturn gives a lot of pain, trouble, struggle, uh, but the end result is not bad. What they say that Saturn will give pain, but possibly relieve you from death. It may not take you to death. Now, that is about what generally the effect of planets is. Now, people come to me and to other astrologers with horoscopes when they become seriously ill, or to some extent in dangerously ill patients also. People come with their horoscopes. Now, astrology in all its branches has got effect. Like all the branches of astrology, that is horoscope reading, palm reading, face reading, numerology, all these are connected to the basic 9 planets, 7 planets, along with Rahu and Ketu. I forgot to mention earlier, Rahu has again bad effect for health, and particularly it could give stomach troubles. It could also give problems connected with body parts below the belt, which could be even your legs and your feet. Ketu, in case of Ketu, it can be problems, ailments which are not easy to diagnose. Diagnosis may be difficult. A person may look to be quite healthy, but may be suffering from something which the doctors are not able to diagnose easily. Now, this much about astrology. The remedial measures in astrology are given generally starting with the stones, use of stones. That for each planet, the type of treatment is mentioned, that what stone, wearing of what stone, when, at what time, and how can be useful in a particular case. of a person, judging his horoscope, also judging what period of Mahadasha, Antardasha the person is going. With all this, I would like to close this talk, um, and I'll be happy if I can be of any use to any of my viewers regarding an advice on the medical aspects which could be indicated from the horoscope. I wish you the very best of health and happiness. Take care, particularly in this time of coronavirus. Stay at home. Uh, uh, Take care of your health and stay at home only. With all your best wishes, I wish all the best of health to you and your families. I am your humble Indian astrologer or humble astrologer from Bharatvarsh, Dr. Raji. My mobile numbers 9833246889. I'll repeat my contact number 9833246889. Thank you. Namaskar.